Hi friends, good morning and good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to configure Python in Eclipse. So before proceeding into our topic, first of all we need to install Python in our machine. So in the below description I am going to provide previously recorded video how to install Python in machine. So please go through this link to install in Python in our machine. So let us start today's topic, how to install Python in Eclipse. So click on help, click on install new software, http pydev.org/updates. Click add, then it will show you PyDev. You can give the name as PyDev. Okay. So it is showing as two different types of plugins. One is PyDev and PyDev.myln integrations. Or you can click on PyDev, which is be required. What it contains? Let us see. I can expand this thing. That it contains PyDev for Eclipse, PyDev for Eclipse developer resources. Let me see what is contains PyDev Myln. It can be different types of Myln Eclipses. So currently I am not selecting this one. So you can select PyDev only. Click on next. It will be gathering the what are the requirements, what are the dependencies it will be adding to our Eclipse to show how to handle and create Python programs in our Eclipse. So then click next, then select the accept and terms and agreement, the finish. So here the software is installing. So these are the required dependencies will be downloading. Let's wait for a few minutes. Don't cancel. So it's almost 50% is completed. Let's wait for another 2 minutes. Click on install anyway. So after completion of this Python, so it is asking whether you need to restart or not. I am going to restart now. Still it's loading, let's wait. So the Eclipse is came, it's already restarted. So before that, what I have done is previously we have installed the Python in Eclipse. What I am doing is we have to add the interpreter. So click on Window, Preferences, and Python. Let's expand this thing. Okay. Then click on Python Dev Interpreters. So then click once again. So I'm going to show you this one, browse for Python. So sorry. So when you click on this button, it will be asking the Python executable file. So browse this one. My Python is present in C:users, this one, data local, programs, Python 3.8, and this is the executable file. Select this one. Okay, can give any name, Python or Python. By default it is asking the Python only, so I am not changing anything. So click on OK. Click OK. Then apply and close. So Python interpreter path has been set. So currently it is in the Java. Click cancel, no problem. So I am going to it present in the Java perspective. I am going to open a new perspective. Window, click on open perspective, click on others, click on PyDev, click on open. So it will be currently opening in the Python mode only. This is are you seeing this one? So in the corner section it is showing as Java. This is going to Java. If you want to click Python, it will be going to the Python dev. Okay, Python perspective. So let's run small application here. PyDev project. You can give it as any name. I'm going to show you Python module. You can use Python interpreter, you can use the same thing, same interpreter, because it is in the 3.8 version means 3.8 only, same interpreter what I'm using. So click next, finish. So here the project is created with the Python modules. These are the different types of libraries. So I am going to create package. So Python has been created. Okay. So I'm going to create new PyDev module. So I'm going to give it is as a hello world. Click OK. So by default, when you create in the file, it will be creating as with the name and particular date. So previously in Java, how can we create with a small application, right? Hello world. To display in hello world, what are the lines we need to write? We need to create the class followed by class name and the public static void main and curly braces you can writing as a sysout. So these are the large number of lines we are using. Here we need to use only print method by default as Python has provided. So print by default will showing and mention our hello world. So what happened? It simply within the one line we are executing our hello world application. Let us run as Python run. See, very simple when compared to Python. I am going to provide basics of Python and how to use Python in list, set and map and bag. These are all very good concepts and very easy to learn when compared to Java. Please subscribe to getting more videos on Python and Java. Thanks friends, thank you for watching. If you like and share, and friends, whoever new to this channel, subscribe.